guys, Liz here, and if you're wondering why is the camera turned around, it's because I wanted to show you something that's inside this little tank right here. I tried to do this video earlier on, it won't work. So hopefully it will work. I have my friend Lawrence.
Do not video me.
Can you hold on to the light? So here's the little lid. And look, if you look very, very carefully, yes, I can zoom in. Wait, just pull it. Oh. Yeah, there's thousands down there. If you can see, you can probably see like little things swimming and like just following one. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. See you guys soon. Bye.